So we are going to solve challenge yourself of D3 chapter 16 about statistical averages. So over here, let's have look at this question. So we are given marks of students by 36 students out of 10. So this is like frequency table. There are 0 student who got 0 marks. I mean, it means like there's no such student who got 0 marks. 0 students who got 1 mark, so there's no such student who got 1 mark. There's 1 student who get 2 marks. So that is like minimum marks obtained by any student is 2. And then there is something like blue. So we don't know what is it. Some unknown number of students have got 3. We have to figure it out. So green label shows some number of students who got 4 marks. And then there is x minus 1. So this is like variable x. So x minus 1 students got 5, x student got 6, x plus 3 students got 7, x plus 5 students got 8. If we figure it out, what is value of x, then we will know how many students got 5, 6, 7, or 8 marks. And then there is this orange color or red color. So who got 9 marks? And then 4 students got full marks, 10 marks. So we can assign some kind of variable to this blue, green, and red. So let me call it, for example, A, B, and C. So we got 4 variables, variable A, B, C, and X, right? So we have to find these things based on given information and in this question below. So the first part is, let's have a look. Remember, total number of students are 36. So the first part is 25% of the students in the class scored at least 9 marks. 25% means 1/4 of the students. So for the first part, we have to find how many students got 9 marks or more. At least, when we say at least, it means it includes this one. So 9 marks or 10 marks, right? So we have got C students who got 9 marks and 4 students who got 10 marks. So we have got C plus 4 students who have got 9 marks or 10 marks. And how many students are these? These are 25% of the total. So 25% means 25 over 100. 25% of total. Total students are 36. So we can evaluate it. So if there is something common factor, we should cross it out. So 25 divides 100. So 25 times 25, 1, and 100 divided by 25 is 4. We have got 36 over 4. Again, we can cancel out over here. So 36 over 4 is 9. We have got 9 students who have got 9 or 10 marks. C plus 4 is equal to 9 students. So we got C is equal to 9 minus 4. We got 5 students who scored at least 9 marks. So we have found one of our variable. So this is done. So C is equal to 5. That's good. We have got some information. So in next part, let's see. Part B, so if a student is selected at randomly we select some student, the probability that the student obtain more than 4 marks, but not more than 9 marks is 2 by 3. So when we say more than 4 marks, it means 4 is not included. We have to see those students who got more than 4 marks. It could be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But we have other condition. So the obtained marks should not more than 9. So, but not more than 9. So it means it could be 9 or less. So we got a range from 5 till 9 marks, right? So let's see how many students we have got. So this in part B. So we have got 5 marks. How many students? So it's in terms of X. So number of students who got 5 marks is X minus 1. Let's add all these students over here, get a subtotal. And how many students got 6 marks? It's X. How many students got 7 marks? X plus 3. And then 8 students got X plus 5 students. X plus 5 students got 8 marks. And then there are C students who got 9 marks. So plus C. But value of C is already known to us. So this is equal to 5. So altogether, this is 2 by 3 of total marks of 36. So 2 by 3 into 36. This is given in terms of probability. So it's 2 by 3 probability. We multiply with total marks. So we get on average how many students got these many marks. So we can solve it. 3 and 36 we can cancel out. 36 divided by 3 is 12. So 12 times 24 we get 12 times 2 24. And over here add all these numbers. So first we add all the x's. 1 2 3 4 4x. So this x plus x plus x plus x 4x. And now add all those constants. -1 and then +3 +5, and value of c is also 5. So -1 plus 3, 3 minus 1, 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. We got +12. Now solve for x. 4x is equal to 24 minus 12. So we got 12 over here. And now solve for x. So x is equal to 12 divided by 4. We've got value for x. X is equal to 3. So a second variable is solved. We have got value of c. We have got now value of x. When we got x, so we already got all these numbers: x minus 1, x plus 3, x plus 5. So how many students have got 5 marks? So x minus 1. So this is, let me use other ink. So let me put it with blue color. So x minus 1. So this is 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. X, so we got 3 students. 3 plus 3. So this is going to be 6. And x plus 5, 3 plus 5, 8. So 8 students got 8 marks. So 8, it looks like most number of students got 8 marks. Remember, the number which occurs most number of times is called mode. Now, only two variables left, that is B and A. So let's call it, instead of ABC, I should use 1, 2, 3. So it is like different from our variable names. So part 3. Let me write it down as part 2. And this is part 1. So not to confuse with these variables ABC. So a third part is, let's read it first. The average marks obtained by the students who scored more than or equal to 4 marks. 4 is included, but less than or equal to 6 marks. So which marks are included? Let me erase all those things which are not needed here. So let's see. So over here, we are interested those numbers which is 4, 5, and 6. More than 4, but less than or equal to 6. So average of these numbers is 4.8. So let's calculate the average. So usually for number, let's write down as number or scores. Let's call it score. So scores greater than equal to 4 but less than equal to 6. So how many scores are there? So this is going to be, so when we have got average, so if average is multiplied by number of students, we get total students. So how many students get 4 marks? So 4 times B. B is unknown to us, so we just write on B times 4 plus how many students got 5 marks? So 5 times x minus 1, which is 2. So it's 5 times 2. How many students have got 6 marks? So 6 times 3. 6 times x or 6 times 3. Because value of x is already, we have 3. And average of these marks is equal to 4.8. So how average is calculated? We sum everything divided by total number of students. So this is like we are looking at average. So we have to divide by number of students who score 4, 5, or 6 marks. So this is B plus 2, B plus 2 plus 3. Or we can see from here B plus 2 plus 3. So total number of students who got 4 marks plus students who got 5 marks, plus students who got 3 marks. So this is our average, which is given as 4.8. In the question, they provided this information. This average is 4.8. Now we just have to solve for B. B is the only unknown in this question. So we solve for B and we have got one more variable. So let's solve for it. So B into 4, let's write it down. 4B plus 5 into 2 is 10. 6 into 3 is 18 over B plus 2 plus 3, B plus 5 is equal to 4.8. We do cross multiplication and we can solve for B. So we get 4B, let's add 10 plus 18 plus 28 is equal to 4.8 times B plus 5. Fine. I erase this thing because we have already solved. I need some empty space over here. X, I keep it here. So because we solve our solution over here. So let's solve it. So 4.8 times B. So it's 4.8B plus 4 times 8 times 5. So it's going to be 24. Whenever we have to multiply with some number like 4.8 into 5, so you can write down 5 as 10 over 2. Multiplication becomes easier. So 4.8 times 10 is 48, and then divided by 2, we get 24. So it's like some quick calculation, manipulation, we can do it in our mind. So 4B plus 28 is equal to 4.8B plus 24. So now we have to solve for B, bring everything with B on one side and constants on other side. I can write on bring 4B on this side. So it becomes 4.8 minus 4B. I just put it on the left side for my easiness. And then 24 goes towards 28. So it becomes 28 minus 24. So this is 0.8. B is equal to 4. So B becomes equal to 4 over 0.8. Or for easy calculation, we multiply everything by 10. So it's 8B is equal to 40. And so B is equal to 40 divided by 8. So we have solved for B. B is equal to 5. So we have solved one more variable. What is left? Only A is left. Calculation of A is now easier because we know all the variables except A. And we know how many total students are there. So we add them up together and find the value of A. So this is some easy stuff. Let's do it. Let's add everything together. How many students are there? 1 plus A plus B plus X minus 1, X plus 3, X plus 5, plus C plus 4 is equal to 36. But we already know value of B and all the terms involving X and C. Only unknown is A. So this is 1 plus A. We are trying to find the value of A. Plus B. B we already know. It's 5. Over here we calculated. So B is already, we know it's 5. So instead of B, I'm just directly writing 5 because now it's no more unknown. We already know its value. So let's put it 5. And then it's X. X minus 1 is 2, plus X is 3, plus X plus 3 is 6, X plus 5 is 8, and then C is 5. So put 5 over here, plus 4. All students is given information is 36. So this is equal to 36. Add everything on this side. So A plus, let's add them. 1 plus 5. So let's calculate a running total. 1 plus 5, 6, plus 2, 8, plus 3, 11, plus 6, 17, plus 8, 25, plus 5, 30. 30 plus 4 is 34 is equal to 36. We have got value of A is going to be 36 minus 34, which is equal to 2. Wow, we have got all values. So we have got value of A, we have got value of B, C, and D. So B is equal to 5 and A is equal to 2. So this is done. The last part, they say like use the above information to draw a histogram to represent the data. So we have got all the numbers, we have got all the marks over here, all information here. So I'm going to draw it histogram over here. So histogram, how we draw. So this is not group data, it's like single point data. For each point, we have to draw its height, and on that height, we have to make a box. So we will get histogram. Difference between bar plot and histogram. For bar plot, we have to draw each bar separate. Histogram, we put everything together. Together means like the bars are touching each other. So let's hope in this space I could draw all the values. So we have got 0 marks. We represent all marks here, all points, all marks here. So some values do not have any bar on it, like 0. 1 will not have any bar. So first I put equal bar. So this is 2 equal. My separators are, we call it markers. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So for 0, how many students have got? So it's 0. So we just like put like that. So for half interval before 0, half of the interval after 0, we just mark it like this. And 1, again, it's on the floor, it doesn't have any students over here. For 2, we have got 1 student. So on the y-axis also I should label it. So let's call it 1, 2. Try to make it as equal intervals as we can. Maximum value is 8. So we should put the markers are ticks till 8. 7 and 8. Fine. So I can just draw rectangles or bars over here. That would be easier to draw. So yeah. So we have got 0, 0, and for 2, so this is going to be something like this, right? There is only 1 student who has got 2 marks. 3 students have got 2 marks. So I should draw some bar with like double height, height 2. And then there for 4 marks, we have got 5 students. So 5 comes here. So it should go up to height 5 and like that. So 5 students got, sorry, 4 students. For 4, it should be this thing. Something. This actually should be less. So 4 students got 5 marks. Something like that. Till the midpoint. So like between midpoint of any 2 ticks. For 5 marks, we have got 2 students. So it's should be like that. So midpoint between 4 and 5 and midpoint between 5 and 6. So for 6 marks, we have got 3 students. So height 3, make a bar of height 3. For 7, we have got 3 plus 3, 6. So a bar of 6. So 6 comes here. We can draw, let's try to draw a good like this. So for 8 marks, there are 8 students. Maximum number of students have got 8 marks. So we draw like this, right? So this is bar for 8. Actually, it should be almost like equal size. It should be exactly equal size. So while drawing, so the width are little bit like offshoot, less or more, but in general, all bars should have same width. The last, second last, so 9 students have got, 5 students have got 9 marks. So 5 is over here. So this comes like that. And 4 students have got 10 marks. Just like this. So this is our bar graph. So like, so we can actually draw the boundaries if we want, otherwise it's all complete. If let me put boundaries with black color, just like that. So it will show like from where the bar is starting and where it is going to finish. So this is our histogram. So in histogram, we have put bars. but all the bars are touching each other.